cute is this face? This is the week of my sister's wedding. And the theme was rainbow, so we are bringing in the rainbow. But first things first, this was the first work day of my boss's big birthday, and so we were trying to surprise him with a breakfast, and we somewhat succeeded. We think Harrison might have ruined it a little bit, but it's fine. You can't surprise Gigi. So I had to go pick up some pastries from a coffee shop that is in my neighborhood. So we pulled off the surprise somewhat. Usual workday ensued. And then I filmed something planner related. And Jason had hockey, and then I watched Real Housewives. Jason is actually at hockey right now. Okay, air conditioning, you could stay off for maybe 15 minutes. I'm so excited. It's almost hockey season. It's hockey preseason, but that's just not the same. And then Tuesday went for a run. And then I had a physio appointment. For what? I don't remember. Probably my ankle would be my best guess. I'm actually just going to scooch these two around. We're going to put the dog walker here. That's very crooked, Ashley. Come on. And then we're just going to have to move this down a smidge. Still gonna need to cut that though. So I know all my Halloween girlies are happy because it's, I mean, when you're seeing this, it is October. It is currently September 30th. I'm just not a fan of shorter days. I like daylight. Came in the dog walker this day. Jason got himself a haircut. It was my sister's wedding week after all, so make yourself look presentable, sir. Okay. It was rainy this day, which is highly unusual for July. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did walk Cammy in the morning, and then the dog walker came. Sorry, dog walker. I don't remember who it was. It was, I think, either Katrine or Jenny. Got to walk her in the rain. That's always fun. Cammy is a literal psychopath in the rain. She is obsessed. It's ultimately a very good thing she came to live on the West Coast. Life would suck otherwise. All she would have is rainstorms, not steady rain. And she was on a farm. Whereas here, she's in the city, and someone has to take her for a walk. Come on, air conditioning. It's so obnoxious. So we did go to the Whitecaps this game. This was not a MLS game, but a Canadian Championship game. We were playing FC Valor. And we won. I need to move this desk down just a smidge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thursday got up. Went for a run. So this day was super fun. I am, of course, being facetious as fuck. We had no water in the office. So it was originally from 10 until 1. And I'm like, all right, I can vibe with that. I'll just go get myself like a coffee or something if I have to pee, or I can like run over to No Frills. They came in at 1 and told us, no, you won't have water until 4. I'm like, motherfuckers, I would have stayed home today. They forecast a low chance of seeing the aurora. Yeah, there's clouds for days out there. You ain't seen no fucking aurora. I'm just gonna use a bigger. So me, Maeve, and Georgia went to go get matcha and use the bathroom. No, and it couldn't have been on Friday when I wasn't going to be there. And I am somebody who pees a lot. I drink my fair share of water, which I haven't really had much this evening. But fret not. Oh my god, that's so good. I figured the only appropriate use, or the only appropriate sticker that applied for the no water was the flying by the seat of my pants. Anyway, Jason made ramen for dinner this night. Okay, Friday was a busy day. I was off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I got up and I went for a run. And my sister booked us massages with our RMT. So, of course, it's only one at a time. So I was first. And then while she got her massage, no, she was, I don't remember. Why did my MacBook do an update and now it's giving me the time in 24 hour? Fucking ridiculous. I feel like I'm in university again. So what, she had a massage, but she also had a physio appointment. So when I was done while she did that, I went and ran a few errands, and then we got coffee, and then we met my aunt and my cousins at the nail salon, and we all got our nails done. And then we went to Nook for happy hour. And then we went to Ernest Ice Cream to go get ice cream, obviously. And then, apologies if you can hear the dishwasher, it's currently draining. We also called my aunt in Ontario because we're trying to figure out if we can make coming to Toronto work, which we did. So I just chit-chatted with her a little bit, and she kind of filled me in on my uncle, her brother's heart attack situation, because I don't always get the most accurate or pertinent fucking information, because that generation is stupid. It's also my very Catholic uncle, and honestly, thoughts and prayers. And that might sound harsh, but you know what? I fucking had it with religious people. So after we did ice cream, everyone came over and we just chitty-chatted a little bit, and then everybody dispersed. I had cookies to bake. My aunt had a bunch of prep to do for the next day. But we bought our tickets to Toronto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then Saturday, got coffee, and we hi-hoed off to my aunt. Why? Went to my aunt's in Aldergrove. Stop! Why? What is this desk doing? Hasn't been a fucking problem. Sorry, Cammie. So Cammie was allowed to come this day. This was part 1 of the wedding. This was essentially because the families haven't met. That's still very crooked. Families haven't met, so they did like a barbecue for the couple of friends that made the trek out from I gotta deal with Katie. gotta respond because it's our little Whistler trip this weekend, and it is just us, and I don't want her to feel stressed. So maybe me and Cammy will just go for the day. Oh, I can't do that. If I'm not back, if I get stuck in traffic, Jason will be not pleased. So I can still just go up with Katie. This weekend, actually, in real time, because it is the end of September. Basically, you're seeing this, it's October. It's Cammy's gotcha day on Sunday, which is crazy. Like, I feel like we just celebrated her first birthday, and now it's like we've had her a year. This is wild to me. Anyways, this was barbecue. I spent some time in the pool. It was hot this weekend. And I spent the night. So me and my sister stayed in, my aunt and uncle have like a RV trailer type thing. So we slept in there. So that Megan could sleep in the spare room downstairs because there is no bed in her old room. But we were up until like 1:30 getting everything prepped in the backyard because we did the switch from barbecue to wedding. Which, let's see if I can find July 3rd. Spell Ashley. Really? That's it that comes up? Okay, so let's go to the shared album. I hate this app. The Photos app is atrocious. I hate it so much. Oh, here's all of us getting our nails done. I say all of us, it's like two. Seriously, where is that? I got some really cool photos at night. There. When we were setting up. We just set up the backyard. Super small and intimate. Just the way they like it. Seriously, it was so cool. There it is in daylight. Super fun. So I got like no sleep, and then my period showed up 9 days early, so I was super thrilled about that. My doctor can tell me until she's blue in the face that she doesn't believe I'm in perimenopause, but I'm telling you right fucking now, I am. And I will fight her tooth and nail. So then me and my sister, quote unquote, got glam, aka we did our own hair and makeup. Because again, this is all very chill and casual. This is not a super fancy hoity-toity wedding. Thank Christ. I need a bigger sticker. So we did have the cat. They were going on a little like mini honeymoon. So of course that meant we were up on deck to take the cats. So Jason went home. Are you kidding me, desk? Like, what? Why all of a sudden? So Jason went home because he had to bring Cammie home on Saturday. She was not allowed to be at the wedding on Sunday just because the cats were in a new environment, and even though the cats know and like Cammie ish, it was just best not to. So I have, are you fucking kidding me? I mean, ultimately, this was good news for me because now it meant I was not going to get my period while we were camping, which nothing sucks worse. I figured I would use the movie marquee because really, why not? I have that for the wedding. And then we did brunch because it was a like a morning wedding. So they had donuts and waffles and quiche. And then as soon as I was allowed to be, oh no. As soon as I was allowed to change, I did. I changed into my bathing suit and I went back in the pool. And then my sister got to open her wedding presents for my aunt, one of which was a photo album because my sister does not have a lot of photos of her childhood. And the other was her recipe Bible, which she was very excited to now have. And thus conclude. Oh yeah, we brought the cats. Maui puked in the car, literally a block away from the condo. I was like, "You made it all this way. You made it 45 minutes. You couldn't just make. You couldn't make it 2 more minutes." So that was fun. Chrissy was watching Cammie at our house, so then we ordered takeout and caught Chrissy up, showed her some photos and video of the wedding, and then she went home. And then I crashed so hard after my 3-hour nap the night before. So yes, thus is the wedding week complete. Next week is my anniversary week. And I'm using the office kit from Linear Designs, and I'm so excited. But I don't have time to put it down tonight. So I'll do that on the weekend, I think. Okay, I'm going to go make some tea, cuddle with my dog, read a book, maybe watch some Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I am slowly but surely getting caught up. This is like a painstaking thing for me to do, but I'm committing to at least 2 per week. Because if I could put like a base down at night, then I could do the day by day quickly in the morning, and then edit it at night. So I'm trying. Minimum you're going to get is 2. It might be 3 if I'm like on fire, but I'm not doing anything else until I put nails back on, which probably isn't until tomorrow. But that's enough rambling out of me. If you did like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done so. All of the shops will be listed below. And I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.